Hello everybody and welcome back to OrangePeelStudios, and today we'll be designing a headphone UI design. So I have my headphones here, which I got from a free PNG website. Okay, so just bring your image on, turn it, increase the size, put a box as the background, send it to the back, change the color to black, no, change the color to that. Okay, just select on this and remove the border. Increase the size of this, turn it, and place it there. Just place it, wait. Now, we're going to select on the text tool, and we're going to write headset. We'll make the font BBAS and increase the size. 30, bring it on, change it black. Up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And we'll copy it again. We'll make a nav bar. So we'll just type home, Alt, and drag. Again, select on all of them, align them. And we'll change the font to Seagull Y. We'll change the size from 30 to 16. Try 15. Okay. Let's bring it up. And line it there. Okay. Now we'll group it. We'll align it like that. Now bring it closer to our brand name. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna get a cart icon. We'll get a cart icon, a search icon, and a cart icon and a search icon. You bring it over to Adobe Illustrator. You just select on the headphones and move them up a piece. Bring them up to the word, and then you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5. And you paste in your headphones. I meant your icons. Ungroup them. Bring them up here. Down there. You just make them smaller. Zoom into this. Increase the size. Line them on top of each other. Select on the two. Zoom out. Them up. And just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom to here. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But first, let's go 4. But first, up here, select on the pen tool, and we'll just make a burger menu. Okay, we'll make this one smaller. This one, select on them, increase it by 1, change the color to black, and change the color of this to black also. Group it and align it to the top of that. Just bring this in, select on them, and give them equal space. Okay, bring it up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll zoom out. That looks messy, so what we'll do is we'll zoom in, we'll make them smaller. Size. Select on the 3. Select to the side. Group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we'll zoom out. Bring it in. We bring this closer up to them. So that's like there. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we put this in the center of all of that. So just place it there. Okay. Now, set on this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just go 5 spaces away. Ruler there. 5. I'll leave that one at 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. Down to there. And bring that up once to there. Now, select on it. Increase the size by a little. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put some text and some buttons here. So let's just copy this and we'll put the name of this headphone. So we'll put, let's find out. Okay, so we'll just name it Beats Solo 3 and the space will write that it's wireless. There. Increase the size. Bring it there. Bring it there. And we'll copy this. Bring it here. We'll just paste in Lorem Ipsum. We'll change the font to Seagull UI. And we'll decrease the size to 20. Space there. Bring it up. 1, 2. Okay, now select on the rectangle tool. We'll just make a rectangle here. Be right inside this rectangle. So it will be a call to action button. Remove the border, make it smaller, bring it to the front, center it to the middle. Select on all of these, and change their color to the same color as the background, and we'll make it darker, just like there. Then selecting this group, change the border color to the fill color, just like that. Align this into the center, and we'll change its color to the same color but lighter. There we are. We'll put, let's try seeing what happens if we put a shadow on it. Okay, bring this. That color's not so good. Maybe let's try changing that color of a shadow. That's even worse. Okay, let's see. Lighter, lighter. There's a touch of yellow in it. So we bring it there and we just move it aside. Just like that. Or we could make it brown. We select on this, change its color to there, make it smaller. You see, this touch I've given it makes it look more like it's for food and less like it's for technology headphones. So we'll take that away in a sec. We'll just align this button and make sure it's all good. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll keep this brown. We'll make this to white. Select on it. Change its color. There. And then we'll give it a background blur. Nope. Write this down. No. That is very good. So what we can do is we'll have this, and we select on it. We'll remove the background blur because it's unnecessary, and we'll change its color to a color like that. There we are. That's more or less the same color. So we select on it, we bring it up. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Group it, make it smaller. Bring it here. 1, 2, 3. Get this. Alt it. Put the price. And we'll change it to 24. Increase the size to 35. Bring it up. Select on the 2. That up. 1, 2, 3. We select on this, push this up. And we'll go 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's looking better. There's a few touches that we need to do, so let's just paste in some social media icons, which is Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, just like always. We'll make them smaller. Bring them up to there. Get another ruler, put one there. Another ruler, yeah. And we'll bring them to there. Bring it down to the floor. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 3. Just get the padding everywhere. Bring that up to the very limit. Okay, now we ungroup these. We bring them in closer to each other. And we select on all of them. Give them equal space. We change their color to the same color, the brown color, everything. Okay, so I have some other images which I got. So I can make some tabs down here. Okay, so first, let's remove these icons. Now, select on the rectangle tool, make a square over here. And select on this to round the edges of the square. And this one to 30. Okay, so now copy and paste this square, make it smaller, and we'll send this back down to 0. Remove the border from both of the squares. Make this one smaller. We'll change the color. First, let's just select on it and then add a shadow to it. Okay, bring the shadow this way. Fix that 0 and increase the blur to 15 and we'll make that 5 and the transparency will make 15 too. Okay, so now make this smaller. Place it in. Copy this. Paste. Push it along. 1, 2, 3. And then delete the image. Just push this one in. Just like that. Go again. Paste. Just delete that one. And we'll put this one in. Bring it down. So this one. Bring it up. And we'll copy our button here. Right click it, ungroup, and delete there. And we'll just write that. Make it smaller. Up. With the 1, 2, 1, 2. Then copy all of this, check it in, we'll put this there. We'll just make this to 25. Get up. 1, 2. And I'll copy and paste this square one more time. This time we'll remove the roundness from that corner. Just make it smaller and smaller. We'll add the shadow. We'll make 3%. Or could come make minus 3% at both sides. Zoom in. Give it this look here. We'll select on the pen tool and we're writing a line. Copy and paste this line and rotate it like that. select on the two lines and align them, increase the thickness by 1, group them and align them into the center of this, zoom out, just make them smaller and change their color to this brown color and the stroke color, make this box a bit smaller. Let's just leave it big like that. So align them one more time. Okay, now bring this up once. 1, 2, 3, 4. Select on everything, copy and paste, and we'll push it over to this one, like that. There. Zoom out, and delete this, and look for our icons here. Just zoom in, and bring them on top of each other, like this. Shift, bring them up to this, align, with equal space, and zoom out. And zoom in. Okay, let's zoom into our button. Select on the rectangle, come down here and remove the shadow. Change it to this brown color here, and we're going to change our text to a white. This. There. Select and give it some round edges of 10%. Zoom out, select on them all, group them and center them. Bring them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now down here, you select on this and select on this, shift and this. We'll take down our shadows to 1%. We'll take down our blur to 5%. And on this here, we'll take these all down to -1%. Just like that. And our blur to 3%. Okay, let's do it to the other one. Let's go -1, -1, and this to 3. And zoom out. And this is a quick, easy beginner's tutorial on how to design a Beats headphone UI design. Okay, so I just done a little change, as you can see here, just to spruce up the website. Just select on all 3 of these rectangles and come down here. Select on background blur and select on our button and group rectangle and click on background blur, and then we have this texture on the website. Just come down and change the color to white. Oops. Select on it, change the color to white, change it, just see it back. Select on the rectangle, the color, change it to white, and then click off, give it a background blur. Okay. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to be notified for more videos.